Hello everyone, my name is Anita and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how to create a dashboard using various objects and item hierarchy. So this is how we are creating the Tableau dashboard and this is the final output of our video. So make sure you are watching the video till the end. So let's get started. So for creating such a type of dashboard, we require the different charts. So dashboard is nothing but the collection of charts. So in one window, we are displaying the several charts, and that single dashboard is analyzing the whole business. So this is the purpose of the dashboard. So for creating dashboard, we require the different charts. So here I want to create a sales executive dashboard. So in order to create that dashboard, we first require the different charts. So first let's see how we want to design our dashboard. So for this is the window or this is the design of the dashboard and this is how I want to design my dashboard, or we can say this is the client requirement, or we can say that the person need. So here you can see that on the above, that client need the title of the title, or we can say that the name of the dashboard, then the logo, company logo if they want. Then these are the KPI, that is key performance indicator, that the client need to display, and after that the different chart he want to display. So for creating such dashboard, what we use the different dashboard object and the item hierarchy. So for using different objects, so there are different objects such as horizontal object, vertical object, text object. So we will see later all these objects, and here we are using the item hierarchy. That means for designing such type of dashboard, we will be referring, or we will be creating some hierarchy, or we will be following some hierarchy. So you can see this, the dotted line, that black dotted line is, we can say it is a vertical object, and in that vertical object the first one, this one is the horizontal object, and in my horizontal object you can see the text is there and the image is there. After that, the one blank object I have created, and in blank object I have given the black color for the border, creation of border. After that, again you can see for displaying these different KPI, here I have created the horizontal object, and in horizontal object I have shown the different KPIs. After that, again, for displaying the different chart, I have created one horizontal object, and in one horizontal I have created two vertical sections. So these two vertical sections I have created, and using that I have displayed the different charts. So this is how we are creating the hierarchy. So here you can see that on right hand side I have created the hierarchy, and using this hierarchy we are creating such a type of dashboard. So let's get started. So here you can see this is my Tableau window. Let me just minimize that earlier window. Yeah, now you can see this is my Tableau window. First step is to connect the data, and here my data is in the Excel format. So I am using this sample superstore data set. So just click on the open. Now here my data set is connecting, and from this data source I am using the ordered table. So just drag the order table here, so it will connect to the data. Now you can see this is my data source section. So I want to create the worksheet, or I want to create a different chart. So go to the worksheet. Here you can see sheet 1 is there, so just click on that sheet 1. Now according to the client need, what I want different chart. So first chart is what I want to display the category wise sales. So here I want to display the category wise sales using bar chart. So let me type here bar chart. So you can see bar chart is there. Now here I want to write category wise sales, and I want the different font as the Times New Roman, bold, center, and I want to give the different color. Okay, so black color, let me give the black color, apply. Now you can see this is the category wise sales. This is what the bar chart. Okay, so how to create that chart? So for showing the category wise sales, just drag the category from the dimensions and put it onto the column section. You can see here. And now I want to display the sales, so just drag the sales and put it into the row section. So you can see here the bar chart is displayed. Now if you want like to swap the rows and column, you can do with the help of this symbol. Okay, you can see here. Now I want this data in the descending order. So you can see here ascending and descending. So I want in a descending order. Now you can see the data is in the descending order. So this is the perfect chart. Now if you want this in the entire view, so just click entire view. Now you can see in the entire view. Now I don't want to show this tooltip. You can see when I am overing the mouse, that tooltip is displaying. So that tooltip I don't want. So how to remove that? So just click on the tooltip, and here you can see show tooltip tick is there. So just uncheck it. Okay. Now you can see the tooltip is not there. Again I want to give the different color. So orange color I want to do. So this is what the color I want, orange. Now you can see this on x-axis, this label header is there. I don't want that. So just uncheck this. Same here. I don't want to that category name. So hide that field label for the row. Now you can see this is the perfect chart. Again here on that graph I need to show that total sales. So just click on that T symbol. Here you can see mark label is there. So click on that. Now you can see that label is there. The total sales for the technology is displayed. Again this sales I want in the 1000 format. So I want to format that sales. So how to format? Go to format, and here you can see that just a minute. Yeah, now I want that sum of sales in the 1000, right? So here you can see, click here, go to format, under pen section you can see that this alignment is there, number is there. So click on number, go to number custom. Here I don't want the decimal places, so just put 0 here, then display unit as 1000. Now you can see that the whatever is there, that text label is there, so it is displayed in the 1000 format, right? Now you can see. Now all the things are displayed over here. Now what I want, whatever that label is there, that text is there, that I want in the same color. Okay, so for that go to the label. Here the font is there, so click on that font, and you can see here match mark color is there. So just click on that match mark color. If you want to increase the font, you increase, make it bold, and now you see here. Now again what I want, here you can see some grid lines are showing here, so I don't want that. So to do that, so just format here, and row you can see in the column as well, or in the sheet you can see in this line section you see some grid lines are displayed. So just click on the none. Yeah, now perfectly it is showing that graph. So this is how we are designed the first bar chart. Now, if you want to reduce the size of this, so with the help of this size pen, you can just minimize the size of that graph. Now this is the perfect. Now again I want this whatever labels are there somewhat dark. So go to here, go to format. Now you can see the font is there. If you want to increase that font, increase and make it bold and give the color as a black. Now you can see this is the perfect visualization. Okay, so this is what the first. Now in the second chart, what I want to copy the formatting, all this formatting. So let me just copy formatting and go here and the paste formatting. Okay, and here I want the pie chart. So here what I want to display, I want to display the region wise cells. So region wise cells. And again the same for this I want the Times New Roman, bold, centered, apply, okay. Now you can see the region wise cells. Okay, so here again let me drag the region onto the column section. Cells I want, so that cells I am here. Now in show me section I want the pie chart. So here you can see this is the pie chart. Again if you want that entire window, so just click on that entire window. Now these are the legend, okay, color legend and this color label. So this I don't want. So how to remove that? You just click here. You can see here. Click here under legend. You see the color legend and size legend. Both I don't want. So just uncheck it. Legend size. Now perfect. So here again this tooltip I don't want. So how to remove? Again go to label. Uncheck this. Okay. Now the tooltip is invisible. Now here I want that sum of cells onto the label section. So you can see this label is there and again I want region here. Yeah, perfect. Now you can see. So this is the region wise cells. Again I want this in the descending order. Perfect. You can see here if you want to increase the size, you can increase the size of this as well. So this is the region wise cells. Now in the third chart, what I want the order date wise cells with the help of line chart. So here I am using the line chart and here sales trend we can say. So that order date wise cells it representing the sales trend. Okay, so again the same formatting I am using. Make it bold, center, okay. Yeah, now how to do that, like how to find that ordered wise cells. So here you can see order date is there. So just drag that order date and put it into the column section and then again cells and put it into the row section. Now you can see the graph is there. But here what I want that cells to be shown for every quarter. So for that, here just click here and you can see quarter is there. So click on that quarter. Now you can see the cells is displayed using quarter. And you can see here the plus and minus button is there. So using this plus or minus, like I do have the way to show that line chart for the month wise. You can see for the month wise, for the date wise we can say, and using this minus button again you revert back. So this is what the quarter wise says. Okay, now again for this I want to change the color. This is the orange color I want. Again for label here you just click on the this T button. Now you can see the cells is displayed. Again this cells I want in the K format. So for that go to pen section, go to custom, then 0 here in the K format. Now perfect. It is showing the that in the K format. Now again whatever that cells is displaying now that I want in the same color. So go to the label, go to font, here click on the match mark color. Now you can see again make it bold and if you want the size as a 10 you can do that. Perfect. Now you can see this is display. Again I don't want this header, so just uncheck this option Now you can see the sales is displayed. Okay, so this is the line chart. With the help of line chart, we are displaying the sales trend. Okay. Now in the next chart, what I want to show the, here I am using the vertical bar chart for showing the segment wise sales. So segment wise sales I want to show. Now for displaying that segment wise sales, I am using segment dimensions. So just drag that segment and put it into the column section and sales into the row section. Now you can see the segment wise sales is displayed. Again, this I don't want to format. Again, this label, hide that field label from the column. Now you can see I want to change the color. Again, that label I want, and that label in the, again in the K format. So go to format, here custom, that's 0, and in the K format. Now it is perfectly displayed. Again I want to change that label. Okay, so go to here, match mark color, change the font size as a 10, make it bold. Now you can see this is perfectly showing. Again I want to edit this color. Okay, so here color, make it bold. Now you can see it is perfectly displaying that. So this is the vertical bar chart, and with the help of this I have created the segment wise sales. Now you can see here we have created the 4 different chart. Now for displaying this, you see, for displaying the this one, that this KPI, what we want the 1, 2, 3, 4, total 4 KPIs we want, right? So the first KPI we can say is the total sales, we can say. Okay, so I am creating the first KPI 1 as the total sales. Okay, so to do that I am just dragging that sales here. You can see that sales is there. I am just dragging that total sales and pasting onto the here. Okay, now you can see the total sales is displayed. Again I want to format that using the same one, the K format. Now here this tooltip I don't want. So again uncheck that option. Go here. I want this has a 26 font, so make it 26. Give the color as a different one. Make it center. Make it bold. And again Times New Roman. Apply. Okay. Now you can see the sales is there. So below that I want the title as what? Total sales, and in the black color. Okay, apply. Okay, now you can see perfect, but in the center. So here make it center. Yes, so this is KPI 1 for displaying the total sales. Again same I want to use, so copy formatting here, then paste formatting. Here I am creating the next KPI, that is KPI 2, for displaying the total profit. So what we are doing, or what you can do, you just duplicate this sheet. Here you can see duplicate option is there. So duplicate it. Now you can see this is my KPI 2. Already that name is there, so that's name. What we can do, 2-1 we will give. Okay, now you can see here we have duplicate the sheet, but in this sheet what we want the total profit. So I am just dragging that profit and pasting onto the that sum of sales. Now you can see this is the total profit. Again let me edit that. So how to edit? Instead of sales, here what I want, total profit. Okay, so total profit, apply, okay. Now you can see this is the total profit. Again, that total profit I want in a which format? In the K format. So to do that, go here, 0 K format. Yes, now it is perfectly showing the total profit. And here also we have in the K format. Here also we in the K format. Perfect. So this is the KPI 2. Now in the third one, this I don't want, so I just delete that. Yeah, and now I am renaming it. This is the KPI 2. Okay. Now the for the next one, again I am duplicating the sheet here. You can see duplicate the sheet, and here this is the KPI 3. 3. So here what I want the total order, like how many ordered place. So for this, there is no dimensions or the measures are present. Direct measures are not present. So for that, what I will do, I'll create the calculated field. So how to create calculated field? Here you can see, click create calculated field. What I want the total order, but again whatever order are there, all the orders I want the distinct order. Okay, so for distinct order, what I'll use that count D for distinct count. Okay, and here total order, right? So therefore that I am using the order ID. Again click on apply, then okay. Now you can see that total order is there, so just drag that total order and put it onto the sum of set. Now you can see these are the total order. Again change the label, so total order, apply, okay. Now you can see these are the total order. Again same, I want to duplicate the sheet, so duplicate sheet, give the name as a KPI 4, and here I want to display the total customers. So again for total customer, create a calculated field, here use the total customer, and for total customer again I am using the count D for distinct customer and customer ID. Apply, okay. Now you can see total customer is there. I'm just dragging that and pasting over here. So you can see 793 are the total customer. So let me change the title, total customer. Apply, okay. Yeah. Now you can see these are the 4 KPI that we have created. Okay. Now we have done with all the worksheet or all the charts. Now we want to create a dashboard. So dashboard is nothing but what? It is like a collection of the several worksheet. So here you can see that the square is there with plus symbol. So below that you can see the tooltip is there, new dashboard. Okay. So I'm just clicking on that. So you can see here the dashboard window is appear. So this is the dashboard window. Here whatever sheet we have created, all the sheets are displayed. Below that you can see the object section is there. So what I have already told you, that we want to create a dashboard using the different object, and these are the object like horizontal, vertical, text, image, web page, data story, blank, navigation. So all these objects we are using for creating the dashboard. So here with the help of this horizontal, vertical, so these are the containers or the layout, we can say. With the help of this we are connecting or grouping the related object together. And for creating the dashboard we are resizing when user interact with it. So with the help of this container, the text object is there for providing the header, explanation, image object is there for adding the more visual effect onto your dashboard. So for that purpose we are using this different object. Now you can see we are in the dashboard section. If you just click on that layout section, so you can see that here item hierarchy is there, and in item hierarchy now only dashboard 1 is displaying. So here we are creating the hierarchy, and which hierarchy we are creating? This type of hierarchy we are creating. So here you can see that first in my dashboard I want this vertical object, right? So for that vertical object, how to create that? So we will see one by one. Okay, now you can see we are in the dashboard, right? And these are the two, like with the help of tilde we can create dashboard, or floating we can create the dashboard. Okay, so first for this outside one we are using the floating one. Okay, because with the help of floating it is very easier to create the dashboard. So that's why I'm clicking on the floating and I'm just dragging the vertical container in the section. So before that what you can do, you just see your dashboard size. So here you can see that the size is there. Click on that and you can see here some range is there, right? Maximum size, minimum size. But here let me select the automatic. I don't want that fixed size. So for that I have click on the automatic. Okay. So now under layout you can see that the size of your layout. What is the size here? My size is 963 and 556. So this is the size 963 and 556. Okay. So this is the size of my layout. Now go to the dashboard and here I want to create the item hierarchy first. So first one is what? This outline we can say. Okay. So that outline is what? Vertical outline. So let me drag that vertical container and paste it over here. Now you can see the effect of floating. Because of floating we are like moving our object as per our requirement, right? So this is the effect of floating. Now what I want this in the left section. So for that I'm changing the x position as a 0, y position as a 0, and this width, right? So what I told you before that, for our dashboard the size is what? 963, right? 963, and the height is what? So under layout, let me see the size now, 556. Okay. So same size I want to give for this 556. Okay. Now you can see. So this is my vertical pen. That means this one. So that dotted line we can say this dotted line. So this is my vertical pen. Now under this vertical is single pen. What I want one horizontal pen. For what? For adding this text and this image. Okay. So for that purpose, how to do that? You can see here hierarchy. We are creating the hierarchy. First we have created vertical. Now in this again what I want one horizontal pen. So I'm just dragging that horizontal object and pasting over here. Okay. No, again here now I don't want that floating, right? So here now I want in the all other whatever object I'm placing now in that vertical section, that all in the tile fashion. So just click on the tile and drag the horizontal and paste it over here. Now you can see this is what the horizontal. For checking that, go to layout and you can see under vertical we have created the horizontal, right? So I want to change the height of that horizontal pane. So let me take the 100 as the size. So you can see this is what my size of the horizontal pane. Now in this horizontal, what I want one logo, company logo, and the title for the dashboard. So for that, how to add? So you can go to dashboard. You can see one image is there. So just drag that image and paste it over here. Okay. Now you can see. So here I want the image. So I am choosing the image. That logo is I have designed. So logo open. Now you can see I want that logo in the center. So I am just taking this option, fit image and center image. Apply OK. Now you can see the image is successfully added. Now this here I want to add the text. So how to add? Just drag the text and paste it over here. You can see the I want to give the name as a sales executive dashboard as the title of my dashboard. So make it size as a 36, color I want as a orange, make it center and make it bold. Okay, if you want the different font, so make it different. Okay, now you can see. Here, now the text is added successfully but not in an appropriate manner. So how to do that? So here, let me change the width and the height of this image. So fixed width or edit width. So let me edit that. So I am just taking the 100 as the height of the image. Now you can see this is perfectly added, right? If you want to preview, you can preview that. You can see sales executive dashboard and the image is there. Again, here actually I want the font in the bigger format. So go to 48. Okay. Now this is the perfect one. So here you can see, go to the layout, and in layout you can see the under horizontal logo and the text is successfully added. Okay. So here you can see that what I have designed, I have already designed. Yeah, in the dashboard you can see that the this logo and the text we have successfully added into our dashboard. Now in this, what I want this line as a blank line, right? So how to add that blank line? So here you can see that in the dashboard section, blank object is there. So just drag that blank object and paste it over here, right? Under layout, you can see the blank object is successfully placed. Now I want to edit that. So here I want to give the size as a 10. You can see that the blank object is successfully added. Now here I want to give the border. Okay, so to do that, go to the here in layout. You can see that in dashboard you can see that the different for that blank and the layout itself, that border is there. Yeah, you can see that the border is there. So just go here, select the border as this one and the width is this one and make it color as orange. Yeah, now you can see successfully that border is displayed. You can see, right? Now here under layout you can see that what we have done, we have added that blank object successfully. Now below this blank, what we want to add one horizontal object, right? So again drag this horizontal and paste it over here. Again I want to edit the height of this, so make it 100, right? So this is the 100. Here in this horizontal object, I want to show all the KPIs, all 4 KPIs in a equal distribution manner. So to do that, here under layout, you can see just right click on horizontal and check the distribute content evenly. Okay. Now you can see here we have successfully uh, added that horizontal object, right? Now what I am doing, I am just dragging that KPI one as a total sales and pasting into the center. You can see the total sales is displayed. Again KPI 2, clicking onto the right side for that. Again KPI 3, again KPI 4, right? So all that KPI we have displayed successfully. Now I don't want this title, so just remove that title, apply, okay. Again same here, I don't want this, apply, okay, same, okay. Again this I don't want, apply, okay, right? Now you can see the all that KPI is perfectly added into the sheet and in an equal distribution manner. Now if you want to see, you can see all the KPI, the total profit, total order, total sale, total customer, all the displayed over here. Okay, and now what I want again under layout, you can see that under horizontal 4 KPIs we have added. Now after this, what we want the this 4 chart we want to display. So for that we will create one horizontal object, and under that horizontal we will create the 2 vertical. So how to do that? Again, go to the dashboard. Here you can see that, drag that horizontal, paste it over here. Now in this horizontal I want to create 2 vertical object. Okay, so just drag that vertical, paste it over here. Now you can see under layout, under horizontal, vertical is there. Again one more vertical I want to add. How to add? Again click vertical, go here. Yeah, now you can see this vertical and this 2 vertical we have added. You can see here this vertical first one, the second one. Now under this vertical we want to display the 2 graph, right? Equally we want. So for that again right click on this vertical, click on the distribute content evenly. Here also click distribute content evenly, and in this horizontal again distribute content evenly. That means it will distribute the content evenly, okay, or in the proper position. So now I'm going into the first vertical. This is the first vertical. In this vertical what I want the 2 graph. So first bar graph I want, just drag here, paste it over here. Now the pie chart, drag that pie chart, and you can see here below that first one I'm pasting. Now you can see perfectly the 2 graphs are added. Now for the second vertical I want the line chart. Paste line chart and the next vertical bar chart. So you can see vertical bar chart. So let me drag it again, vertical bar chart. Yes, so all the charts are perfectly added. Now here, if you want to see, you can see the graph. So category wise sales, sales trend, segment wise. So this is how you can create the dashboard. One more point I want to add here, in pie chart, I want all this font size as match mark pen, and I want in the bold format, and this in the 10. Okay, so now you can see whatever you do in the this respective chart now, so all the reflection is done here in this chart. Okay, so this is the pie chart, line chart, vertical bar chart, and these are the KPI different. So you can see this is how you can design the dashboard. Okay, now what I want, you can see here, I want to give some formatting with this dashboard. So how to do that? So here you can see format menu is there. Format, go to dashboard, and here I want to add some shading. Okay, so similar shading let me add, and here I am just changing the opacity of this color as the 15. Okay, now you can see perfect one. And again I want to add the worksheet title font as the white one, or let me keep it as the same, and the shading as the, or give the different color if want. Perfect, now you can see. Okay, again if you want to add the like text color and all, so you can add the text color, different color. No, here I don't want. Yeah, this type of formatting you do, and just see here, this is the let's execute a dashboard. So with the help of the different dashboard object and item hierarchy, you can create the dashboard, or that dashboard are the visually appealing dashboard. Now you can see here, if you want to add the interactivity, so you can use the filter as well. So this is how you can create the dashboard using Tableau. So thank you for watching the video.